Alex here. I'm going to show you a couple of tips. First one, how to clean your Linux Mint installation. So once you have the Linux Mint particular OS, I run 17.3 Rosa Cinnamon. I'll show you my system in one sec, just by going to System Settings. I'll come down to System Info, and there you can see what I'm running. So Linux Mint 17.3 shows you what processor I've got. It's a double processor, Intel, hard drives, graphics card. So that's how you can see what your system is. Excuse me. I'm sorry guys, I've got a bit of a cold today. So what I'm going to show you is how to install a Mint cleaner that's going to clean up your system whenever you want it to, basically. So first of all, we're going to go to our search engine, and we're going to type in there SH Mint Cleaner, like that, and go to it. You'll find it right here. Click on Linux Mint Community there, and here we have the simple script to keep your system clean. So what you need to do is to copy and paste, all right, from here all the way down to here. Okay, so let's do that. All the way down to here. We copy it. Okay, so we could come away from there now. What you must do then is go to a text editor. So I've got a simple text editor. Down here. And you copy and paste. And that is what you've just copied. And now you have to save it. So open File, Save As, and you must save it as Mint Cleaner mintcleaner.sh, right, and then save it into your home folder, which would be this one here for me. So I've already done this, but once you've done that, switch off your computer and restart it. I'm going to cancel all this. Alright, so what happens now is you've just opened your computer up again, and you go to your terminal and type in sudo. That, of course, is your administrator privileges. You have to put that in, sudo, and then put in sh mint cleaner dot sh, and then of course, because it's a sudo file, you have to put your password in. So I'll put my password in. And that's what it does. It's cleaning out your apt cache, your old config files. It's removing any old kernels. And it's emptying all of the trashes. Or if you're an ex-Windows Microsoft user, that would have been your rubbish bin. In Linux, it's called trash. And the script is finished. And now you can just press exit and come out. And it's as simple as that. You've just installed a cleaner for your Mint operating system, and I use that before I log out or shut down the computer on a daily basis. So that's that. If you like this, give me a like, or if you want to follow me on YouTube, you can do that. I am going to try and come up with some tips specifically relating to Linux 17.3, so which I consider to be the best of the Linux distributions. It's not the most modern. And it's not updating automatically as the more modern distros do. But however, you can update every time you log into your computer. All right, well, instead of finishing off here, I'm going to just show you how to update. Okay, so you've just started your computer up. Go to your administration, software sources, type in your password, which is I never told you my password. You could tell it's getting late in the evening. Okay, so you tap that in. So there we go. So you'll come up with the mirrors, and you have to really find the fastest mirror. And so you click on the top one, and I can find there straight away. University of Kent Mirror Service is 1015 megabytes, kilobytes, sorry. But that's the fastest server. So I'm going to click on that and apply it. And then on the base, I click on that too and find the fastest server. In this case, this is going to be the one I normally use. It's 1.4, which is very fast. And then to update the cache, you just press update the cache, and then it does that. It'll be doing that just for a minute or two. Well, to be honest, for less than a minute, you don't have to wait all that long. But it is installing those mirrors that you've just selected, and it is now downloading them. I found recently that it stops at this point here, and seems to wait around for just a little while before it completes. So it's downloading all the packages from the mirrors that you've just selected. and updating them. But I'll show you in a second or two, in a minute or well, fairly quickly, how to update them using the terminal. And I'm just waiting now for this to finish downloading all the packages. And one good thing about Linux is that if you know how to use it properly, it'll outshine Microsoft. Microsoft is yesterday as far as I'm concerned. Linux offers a better user experience. It's a smoother operating system altogether. Well, there you go. Note as well that I've checked this box here, which is to enable source code repositories. Also, what you'll find here is that you've got maintenance, and you can fix your merger list problems, purge residual configuration, remove foreign packages and downgrade. And I never touch these two, but I do use these fairly often. Authentication keys, these are the ones that have been installed for me. And additional repositories. Okay, so there's quite a few. I've got these three boxes checked, and this is Ubuntu. Okay. This is more or less the same as that. However, by checking that, I find I get problems. GetDeb as well, problems. So these three. PPAs, as I've just shown, show up here, and your official repository is what you've just been using. So now you come out of them and you go to your terminal and you type in again sudo apt -get update and put in your password. And now what's happening is all of the packages are being updated, so you know you've got your packages up to date. This is how you update your system because it doesn't do it automatically. It'll take a while here because it's connecting to Canonical, and it'll take just a short while, but it will complete in a minute. You'll see how it works. I'm going to maximize the page at the terminal, so you can see down at the bottom there it's connecting to the archive Canonical, so it'll do that. Sometimes it doesn't do this, sometimes it bypasses Canonical, sometimes it doesn't, as in this case. But if you keep watching, in just a short space of time it will finish. But what I've just shown you there, two things basically, two tips, and to get your Mint cleaner, and also how to keep your packages updated. These are what you have to do, and in a few moments this will continue and finish. I'm going to leave it here so that you can see. It's not something that takes all day, so you should be able to see it end fairly soon. There we go. It's reading the package lists. All done. And so type in exit. And that's it done. So again, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And also you can follow me if you wish on my channel on YouTube. And that is it for now. So I'm going to come out using Simple Screen Recorder and save the